You say that don't like them, but I see you all the time. Deep shit. You say that don't like them, but I see you all the time. Deep shit. You say that don't like them, but I see you all the time. Deep shit. You say that don't like them, but I see you all the time. Deep shit. You say that don't like them, but I see you all the time. Deep shit. You say that don't like them, but I see you all the time. Deep shit. You say that don't like them, but I see you all the time. Deep shit. You say that don't like them, but I see you all the time. Deep shit. You say
So hello and welcome to the studio vlog. So today is Tuesday. I meant to film something yesterday, but I didn't look that great. So yeah, here we are. So today I am working towards the August shop update. The August shop update, I want it to be big, I want it to be really cute, and I want it to be special because August is my shop's birthday month, so I thought I'd do something special. So the one thing I wanted to do was add a special freebie in every order that goes in the month of August. So I ordered some glitter stickers, holographic glitter stickers. So I designed them and I just placed the order, so that's something exciting. They should be here latest by July 20th, so that gives me enough time to photograph them, take an inventory, and then post about them, I guess. Another thing on my to-do list today was to calculate all the Black Lives Matter donations and how much I have made with my fundraiser. So I've only made $40 so far, but I donated it as the month total for June, and then hopefully I sell even more in July so that I can donate even more. Another thing that I need to do today is I think that's it. Yeah. Hello, people of the interwebs. It's Monday, and I thought I'd share an Amazon package that I got. So, this package I ordered as a gift to my sister, and it's basically she wanted me to set up a bullet journal for her for the entire school year. So, I thought, that's something I can do, and maybe add in some little extra goodies. So, for her journal, I got her this grid notebook. This is from Essentials. It's the A5 size. I got it on Amazon. I had the dotted version of it last year. It was my bullet journal last year, and I really liked it. I liked the paper. It was just a bit too yellow for me, but for her, like, she doesn't have a preference. She's like, just give me something that can organize my life. It has grid paper, and the paper is pretty good, so I thought I'd turn this into her bullet journal. It comes with one tie, and it has like the pocket at the back. So the plan is to set it all up for her, maybe add some custom stickers for her, slip it in the back pocket, and this would be her birthday present. Her birthday isn't for like almost 2 months. I just bought it in advance because I was so excited, and I just wanted to set it all up and take my time while setting it up. Next thing I got her is the Kuretake Zig pencil. I have one. I got one as a Christmas gift, which I really liked. So I was like, I should get one for my sister as well because she's gonna like it too. And I got this new thing I saw. I don't want to take it out of packaging because I want her to do it. But essentially, it's like this pen almost, but when you click it, let's see if you can see it through the packaging. It's like an eraser that comes out. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's like, this is all, it's a Tombow product. Yeah, it's a Tombow Mononoke eraser pen almost. So I got her this, and then that's it for the haul. With that, I'll keep you updated with the process of me setting up her bullet journal. I am very excited, so I'm gonna share it with you guys. Also, since it's Monday, I have a bunch of stuff to do. So the first thing is I need to pack a lot of orders that came in through the weekend. Once again, thank you so much to everyone who orders from my shop. Like, I can't thank you guys enough. I started my shop almost a year ago, and I didn't expect to get any orders. Like, yes, my friends who knew, they placed an order, and I was like, that's it, that's all I'm gonna get. But now I get orders all over the world, and I'm just so thankful. All the little messages you guys send me, and thank you so much for supporting me and my shop. So yeah, today I'm gonna be packing some wonderful orders.